Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kris Perdawan. I am from Class B Computer Engineering Study Program. And I took the title for my essay with the Internet and e-commerce. Before we get to e-commerce, this is first need to consider the nature of Internet. We have to do this in order and able to apply the law to it. In fact, the Internet is communication infrastructure, nothing more. Is made up of countless thousands of computers linked together by telecommunication system facilities. Not all these computers will be connected at one time, and therefore it was impossible to determine its size and existence. One user computer is communicating with another user computer. That is, the information sent and received by each trip will be different and unpredictable route and will pass multiple computers on its way. And next, let us know about electronic commerce. E-commerce is the distribution, buying, selling, marketing goods and services through electronic systems such as the internet or television, website, or other computer network. E-commerce can involve electronic fund transfer, electronic data exchange, and automated data collection system. The relationship between Internet and e-commerce is very important because e-commerce will not work without the interference of Internet technology. In this online era, the Internet has become a primary need for everyone. Every human activity is inseparable from the name of the Internet. And this kind of e-commerce. 1. Online shopping. Buying and selling goods on the Internet is one of the most popular examples of e-commerce. Seller create a product storefront on the Internet like a retail outlet, and shopper or consumer can search for and purchase product with the click of a mouse. And 2 is internet banking. It is now possible for us to perform all banking transactions without having to leave our chairs to visit the nearest bank branch. And 3 is online ticket. Airplane ticket, movie ticket, and music concert ticket. Almost all type of ticket can be ordered online. Buying ticket online means that you don't have to be tired of queuing at the ticket counter. In Indonesia, the rapid progress of e-commerce activity cannot be separated from the contribution of the world major e-commerce companies. In Indonesia, in early this year, with the number of internet users reaching 175 million people, or around 64% of the total population of Indonesia, the potential of the e-commerce market in Indonesia is very tempting for e-commerce business people. And the biggest e-commerce in Indonesia this year is Shopee, Tokopedia, Bukalapak, and Lazada. And so that Indonesia become a country with a very fast development of e-commerce from other countries. And the benefit of using e-commerce is that it can reduce the cost of goods and services, and the payment process is made easier than faster. 3 is communicating with consumer and seller. Besides all the advantages and conveniences that consumer get through the internet, there are also negative things. Theft of valuable confidential information, card crime, and sometimes the color and quality of the product not same with original product. In the end, internet technology play a very important role in e-commerce based business. With the internet, all activities can occur in e-commerce. Various events and convenience can be offered by companies to consumers. To get our own competitive advantage, it's not surprising why companies have started to invest heavily in technology and information. But in practice, it has existed in all provinces. In the future, the role of the Internet will be very vital with the very rapid growth of new e-commerce companies. That's all from me. I hope the information I provide is useful for you, and thank you for attention.